Okay, how's everybody doing this evening? I want to make a really quick video about Warren Buffett and the blockchain and cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and all that stuff. Because Buffett's come out, and my son and I are both laughing about his comments. He says, I don't know anything about it, but it's going to turn out bad. So that's Buffett's take on Bitcoin and the blockchain. So even though he's one of the world's most successful investors, he hasn't been right about the internet yet. In fact, I don't even think the guy owns an internet stock. So why should anybody listen to Buffett when he doesn't even own anything that has to do with the internet, which is driving most of our economy right now? The second thing about Buffett, the reason, if he knows about how the blockchain and how cryptocurrencies work, he probably doesn't like him, because that's exactly his bread and butter, is what the blockchain is meant to eliminate, which are banks and insurance companies, which will probably be two of the first one of the two first targets for a company like EOS, because EOS will build applications on the blockchain that will eliminate the need for insurance companies and also eliminate the need for banks, because on the blockchain there'll be smart contracts where the money that you pay into the insurance company will go directly to the provider and not go through a middle person like Geico or a middleman like Geico. Buffett has literally made billions with a company like Geico, which has just siphoned money away from people and taken it away from the system and put it into investors' pockets like Buffett. Buffett used to brag about how much he loved Geico because he was able to invest the premiums, not pay the claims, or pay as little claims as possible, and then have that money for investment, and then invest in companies that were like Nebraska Furniture Mart or See's Candy or Coca-Cola, these stalwart companies that just had value, intrinsic value, by the fact that they just had been around forever and that they had built a market and a brand and whatever. And so then Buffett buys these companies, and he basically, gets better management, gets better, makes it more of takes the company down to more of a bare bones company. And of course, he makes the big profits. So the first two industries that are going to be on the target of the blockchain is insurance companies and banks, two of which Buffett has made billions and billions and billions of dollars from. So no wonder Warren Buffett doesn't like companies like EOS or Bitcoin or Ethereum, because they're going to, he's an old guy, I don't know how much longer he's going to be around, but they're definitely going to be in the pocket of a guy like Warren Buffett. And we have lived under that system for a long time, and it's robbed a lot of money from everybody's individual bank accounts. We've had to pay for this insurance system and this banking system, and it has made it so people have made vast fortunes from really doing nothing, from just being middlemen. So anyway, EOS, Ethereum, smart contracts, the blockchain, they're going to take insurance companies out, they're going to take banks out. It's about time. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.